guys, welcome to Sage's Garage. Today I am at the British Car Show in Ancaster and I am super excited to check out all of the really cool British cars. Oh, there's a cute little one there. And I also have a special guest later on in the video that I am very excited to meet myself because I've never met him. So stick around and you'll get to see all the fun stuff.
Hello, my name is Kevin. I do YouTube videos too, not as good as Sage's, I'll tell you that. But I make videos about cars. My channel is called Classic Car Chit Chat. I've just issued my 100th video give and take.
Amazing!
So I've done it for a while and it's just a lot of fun and I really enjoy it. I meet great people like Sage and I'm eager to see your channel.
Amazing! I'm so excited. Thank you so much. As I was walking around all of the beautiful cars, I had a favorite in mind, and it was this one behind me. And it's really funny that the owners of it are actually my special guests of today's video. I am here with Elin and Nick from Rusty Beauties. Hi. And I am so excited. So first of all, tell us a little bit about this beautiful car behind us.
Well, that was a restoration that was done in 2016. That was the original car that I bought, the first one, and I used to go with my Rusty Beauty, and from there were more cars kept coming, and somehow I kept calling them my Rusty Beauties, and from there my channel was renamed to Rusty Beauties, and now there's a Facebook page and there's many things that are Rusty Beauties.
Yes, no, I love it. I love it. I am super excited to announce that Rusty Beauties and Sage's Garage are going to be doing a little bit of a collaboration, and he's going to be helping me out with figuring out what happened to my Spitfire and how I can fix it and restore it, and I'm super excited for that video, and thank you so much, and it was so nice to meet both of you today, and I'm so excited.
I'm so happy that you actually reached out because I was watching your channel and I was like trying to help you from a distance, and I was saying like don't do this or do that, and I was like I'm so happy that you actually reached out and I can help you now with your dad and we can put together your car.
Hi everyone.
Yes, I'm so excited. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, sure.
Yes, show it. That was super fun. We were just chatting with Elin and his son Nick and checking out their car, and I am just super excited for everything that is to come with this channel, and I am so thankful for their support. But yeah, that is the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will have some new Triumph Spitfire updates soon, I promise.